Full name, Ernest Rutherford. Born, August 30, 1871, in Brightwater, near Nelson, New Zealand. Family, son of James Rutherford, a farmer, and Martha Thompson. Education, attended local schools and later won a scholarship to Canterbury College, now University of Canterbury, in Christchurch, where he studied physics and mathematics. Rutherford was academically gifted and deeply interested in science from a young age. Early career. Graduated, 1894 with a BA in mathematics and physics. Research. Began research into electromagnetism and the properties of magnetism. Fellowship, won the prestigious 1903 Nobel Fellowship that allowed him to travel to Europe and work with leading physicists. Major contributions. Radioactivity and atomic structure. Worked with J. Thomson in England, studying the conduction of electricity in gases. Discovered two types of radiation, which he later classified as alpha and beta rays. Conducted pioneering work on radioactive decay, introducing the concept of half-life and demonstrating that atoms could transform into other elements. Gold foil experiment. Perhaps his most famous experiment, conducted with Hans Geiger and Ernest Marsden in 1909. Experiment, alpha particles were shot at a thin sheet of gold foil. Findings, most passed through, but some were deflected at large angles, leading to the revolutionary idea that atoms have a small, dense, positively charged nucleus. This overturned the plum pudding model of the atom and laid the foundation for modern nuclear physics. Rutherford model of the atom, 1911. Proposed that electrons orbit a central nucleus, similar to planets around the Sun. This model became the basis for Niels Bohr's later quantum refinement. Discovery of the proton. In 1917, Rutherford experimentally identified the proton as a fundamental particle of the nucleus. He demonstrated that hydrogen nuclei were the building blocks of other atomic nuclei. Later career. Professor at the University of Manchester, 1907 to 1919.